My name is Rob Bosnick. I'm the workshop manager and curator of the GT3 Cup Cars and GT2 Club Sport here at Porsche Centre Langley. The Manthey Kits are a newly released product to Canada through Porsche Cars Canada. It is a performance and handling upgrade package for the GT3, GT4 RS and GT2 model vehicles. The kit is designed for track use. It enables a fairly experienced driver to take their GT3 model cars to the next level, especially the ones that are chasing seconds at the track. This is the kit to do it with. Yeah, there's several changes that are made to the vehicle. First and foremost, the aerodynamic package. At the front of the car, we have a revised front splitter, air guides underneath the vehicle to control airflow, canards on the front bumper. Then moving to the back of the vehicle, we have aero discs on the rear wheels, different rear diffuser, slightly larger, and a revised rear wing assembly. So the aero discs that are incorporated with the rear wheels are primarily to control airflow around the body of the vehicle. When we control the airflow around the side of the vehicle, it aids in efficiency for the rear diffuser and the rear wing. With the entire aero package, overall you're seeing about a 32% increase in aerodynamic downforce on the front axle and 46% on the rear axle. The wheel upgrade with the Manthey Kit is a magnesium wheel package, which also incorporates the aero discs on the rear wheels. Ultimately, the driver will save 7.5 kilos of unsprung mass, which aids in immediate turn-in, acceleration off corners, and under-braking. So the brake system improvements with this kit is primarily a change in the brake lines. We remove the factory original rubber brake lines, add in stainless braided brake lines, which is beneficial to the driver in overall feedback through the brake pedal under hard braking. We make changes to the suspension via a KW coilover setup. It's a four-way adjustable damper system, along with revised geometry changes within the suspension alignment settings. As you can see, the car is substantially lower than a street-going GT3 model. And we have the ability to do so due to the revised dampers and springs in the vehicle. The process of ordering a kit is relatively simple. There's many ways you can do it. You can come in directly, speak to one of our representatives here at Porsche Centre Langley. You can reach us by phone, in person, online, via email. We discuss what your wants are, what your needs are, what your expectations of the kit is. And from there, we can order the assembly in for you. Typically, we're about a 2-day turnaround to install a kit. It's a fairly labor-intensive installation process. And once we've completed the installation of the kit itself, we're typically anywhere from about 4 to 6 hours to perform the alignment procedure on it to get the geometry absolutely perfect. When purchasing the Manthey Kit, you get full warranty coverage. It is covered for the duration or the remainder of your warranty period. And if you choose to purchase the additional pre-owned warranty, it is covered for the length of that time as well. If you're not local to us, we do offer countrywide transport included in the price of the kit. So if you're in Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, anywhere across Canada, we can have the car shipped to us. We'll do the installation and ship the car back to you.